Hi guys, today we are going to be going out, walking the dogs and picking up rubbish and putting it into one of these bags because we are saving Mother Nature. Careful, maybe they're stinging nettles, you might sting your nose. I've got a lot so far. You got a pretty fair amount already. Yeah. And we literally have only just came out here. And so...
No, cans over there. On the left a bit.
Iron broom. So this is the rivers bit. Now rivers, lots of dirty trash can be in there. Lots of people have found trash in the river and even in the sea, which is really bad for the fish's health because lots of animals die, like sharks, which are my favourite animal, and rays and even coral reef creatures and octopuses.
Ouais, cool, let's go pick up some trash.
Yeah. Wait, what?
Polystyrene.
Look at this. This is close to the river, and this is styrofoam plates. These are the worst because when they go in water, they break up and then they turn into tiny pieces like this. And then the fish, they just come along and eat them, and it's really bad for them. So I'm really glad that we found these, so we can put them in the bin.
We're not glad that we found them because we wanted the sea creatures to die. That's really stupid.
What did you get?
Look, it's an old Dr. Pepper. It's like one of the oldest ones. I found a couple of bird
Can you bring me a bag?
Oh, God.
Careful the water there. It will make for a good fail.
Parkour? Maisie, come here. Maisie! Maisie! Shall I do berry?
Maisie,
What?
Maisie, come on. Oh, go first.
Oh, and also here.
Nice.
Wow, still.
Look, and there is another one here as well. Stella, toi.
Oh, no, sorry.
Up, up.
It's getting heavier and heavier every time I pick up objects.
Why the hell is there a part of a dustbin and brush over here? What crazy person would bring one of these over here?
Yeah. Maybe they were trying to clean up Mother Nature too, but they didn't quite get how to do it.
Found these parts. We're not sure what they are. And they says it might be ducks. I think it might be dinosaurs. Comment down what you think those marks are.
And if it is a duck, then tell us what type, because we would like to know.
Maisie, come here. No, go play. Go play.
Go play. Come on, Maisie. Come on. Come on, Maisie.
Yeah.
There's even that coconut water. Or coconut milk. Ah! I've got corn stuck in my foot. Papa, I've got corn stuck in my foot.
Okay. Good job.
See, look.
Yeah, but just move away. And open the bag.
Orange and mango juice.
Good choice. Maisie,
What's that?
that's a bag with
A
an old
spider on it.
pie in it.
Look.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Just open your bag. Open the
Just
bag.
get the spider off.
Go. Spider is gone. Open the bag now.
What is in there? I don't
An
know.
old pie. I think it's somebody's picnic.
It doesn't look appropriate. It looks like
Plastic bag with more
I
others.
think
Open
that can't fit anymore.
up. You can fit more. Don't be always so defeatist. Look, we've got some biscuit wrapping here. Felix,
Is that Baby, come in. Baby. Baby, come in. Come in. Baby. Baby. Baby, come in. So we've, as you can see, we've got a fair amount of rubbish. So I think next time you guys go out for a walk, bring out a bag like this white one, and try and pick up as much rubbish as you can. You can even buy like things where it's got like a hook, and then you can just pick it up and then put it in the bag. So, or wear gloves. And so
what kind of
found-
stuff did you find?
loads of crisp packets.
Anaïs found Iron Brew. I found a very old Dr. Pepper Coca-Cola can.
Yeah, and just loads and loads of rubbish. And which one do you think has got the most in? Bag A on the left, Felix's bag, or bag B, my bag? Tell us in the comments. Okay.
And the one with the most votes wins.
The one with the most votes gets to squirt cream in their mouth. And the loser has to do the ice bucket challenge.
Yeah.
All right.
Or eat a chili.
So,
Or eat
see
chili.
you see you later, guys. Bye.